some customers have asked for Tableau support, so we've added a JSON output, and that's under User Activity Export. So if you go to the Batch tab and you go to User Activity Export, that's where you're going to find this, because it's by tool. This is going to be all the detail for whatever time period. So if I pick 90 days and whatever tool I pick on here, NX, it's going to give me all the detail for that tool usage in the last 90 days. And of course, you can always export that to Excel, but now you can export it to JSON, which allows you to see all that data in Tableau. It's the interface to Tableau. Now we can also interface to Splunk or Cognos through the what's it say here? Through the Excel interface, or as a .csv. I guess you can dump out to Splunk or Cognos through that if you want it. But JSON allows you to dump out to Tableau.